Religious freedom concerns in Maryland. This is a case that involves Montgomery County schools. It has reached the Supreme Court.
And parents want to be able to opt their kids out of lessons using books with LGBTQ characters. DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg live at the Supreme Court tonight.
Now, Daniel, this pits public education versus religious freedoms, and you spoke with a Georgetown law professor. What is she saying about this case?
Well, Susan and Tosin, she believes that after hearing all these arguments that the court will almost certainly side with the parents who want that opt-out option. That's because the conservative majority asked certain questions and made certain statements today to that effect. But outside the court, there were plenty of people on both sides of the issue who showed up. At the core of the issue are 5 books with LGBTQ characters currently in the curriculum for elementary schools in Montgomery County. Some parents want to opt their kids out of the lessons for religious reasons.
Respect our choices as parents. And this is not about hate or discrimination. We just want to parent the way we want to parent.
During oral arguments Tuesday, the conservative justices seemed to side with the parents wanting an opt-out option.
You're not seeking to prohibit instruction in the classroom. You're just seeking not to be forced to participate in that instruction.
That's correct.
While liberal justices questioned where the line should be drawn, Alan Schoenfeld arguing for MCPS.
Every day in public elementary school classrooms across the country, children are taught ideas that conflict with their family's religious beliefs. But learning about them is not a legally cognizable burden on free exercise.
Georgetown law professor Stephanie Barclay says after listening to arguments, the court is likely to rule in favor of religious freedom concerns.
There's already precedent of the books that makes clear that the court is concerned about parents being forced to put children in a situation that will violate the religious beliefs of the parents and the children. And the Supreme Court could just affirm that precedent in order to rule for the parents in this case.
The court is expected to make a ruling in June. We're live at the Supreme Court. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.